Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your work. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out slowly and you go back and say it all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Loud. Ow, duh. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go all together one more time. Loud. Ow, duh. Fantastic, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called What's That Noise? So boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. That noise. A noisy start. We all make noise we start as soon as we are born. Noise is measured in decibels. A baby crying is 60 decibels on the noisometer. That is as loud as my alarm clock. Shh, I'm sleeping. Some people make noise in their sleep. Snoring can be 70 decibels on the noisometer. That is as loud as a drill. Feeling noise. People who are deaf can feel noise. Evelyn Glennie is a deaf musician. Noise makes things vibrate. Evelyn Glennie uses vibration to help her play. Evelyn's music is 95 decibels on the noisometer. Breaking glass. The human voice makes vibrations. Some singers can break glass with their voices. A loud note can make the glass vibrate and crack. Lift off. A rocket flying into space makes lots of noise. The engine is so loud it hurts your ears. Warning! Noises over 140 decibels damage your hearing. Under the sea. The loudest animal is the blue whale. Whales make noises that can travel long distances underwater. Blue whales can hear each other from very far away. The blue whale is the biggest animal and the loudest animal. The biggest bang. The loudest noise ever heard came from a volcano. The volcano was called Krakatoa. It made a bang so loud that people could hear it in other countries. That is 190 decibels on the noisometer. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can listen to me read it by rewinding the video again. Or on Oxford Owl they have the play button, where they will read it for you. This week on Guided Reading we're going to be looking at another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I'll put in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work. Enjoy and have fun!